hola, welcome back to our channel. How are you doing? And I hope everyone is enjoying the summer. So on today's video, I am going to take you guys through to the 5th day of our 30 days workout challenge. And in case you've not seen the previous video, the link of the playlist is up there. Try and visit them, and I promise you will never regret watching them. And while you watch them, try as much as possible to follow suit. Let's do this together, alright? If you're new here, my name is RosesGlam. So without taking so much of our time, let's hit it up. And before we hit it up, if you've not subscribed to this channel, why don't you consider hitting that button right down there, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time I post a new video. So let's dive into that. video. If you like what you watch, just give it a thumb up, and if you've not subscribed to our channel, consider hitting that button right down there, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to notify you each time I post a new video. Thank you so much, and if you don't mind, if you can share this video to any of your social media, that would be highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you up again in our next video. Don't forget, Roses Glam loves you all. Bye bye for now.